Are you struggling with all the hard decisions you need to make in distributed architectures? Such as service granularity, communication protocols, managing workflows, distributed transactions, service coupling, event handling, and even managing distributed data? If so, this workshop is for you. My name is Mark Richards, and this November I'll be teaching a 2-day hands-on workshop at New Crafts in Paris titled Software Architecture, The Hard Parts. In this workshop, I'll be covering all the hard decisions within distributed architectures, including event-driven architectures and microservices. By attending this workshop, you'll walk away with all the necessary knowledge to analyze trade-offs to make the most appropriate architecture decisions for your distributed systems. I hope to see you there.